We've all had that midweek craving for juicy spiced chicken shawarma from our favorite spot. But the thought of driving, waiting in line, and dealing with takeout, not tonight. What if you could make that same mouth-watering shawarma at home easily? Today, I'll show you how to create restaurant-style chicken shawarma in your own kitchen. No fancy skills required. You control the flavors, the freshness, and the fun. This is a quick, simple way to bring classic street food flavor to your dinner table. Imagine hot, fresh shawarma wraps whenever you want. It's a total game changer for weeknight meals. You'll impress your family and friends, and only you'll know how easy it was. Ready to skip the takeout and make your kitchen the best shawarma spot in town? Let's get started on this flavor-packed adventure. Oven-baked, juicy, and loaded with spices, shawarma night just got a whole lot better. Let's do this! Let's talk ingredients. Nothing fancy, just simple, delicious staples. Grab about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs for juicy, flavorful results. Chicken thighs soak up all the spices and stay tender in the oven. For the marinade, olive oil, lemon juice, cumin, paprika, turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, minced garlic, salt, and black pepper. That's it. No hard-to-find items. Each spice brings something special. Cumin for earthiness, paprika for color, turmeric for warmth, and cinnamon for depth. Garlic and lemon add brightness and punch. Measure everything out before you start. Mise en place makes cooking a breeze. This simple marinade transforms plain chicken into shawarma magic. The aroma alone will have your kitchen smelling like your favorite shawarma shop. With just these basics, you're set for a flavor explosion. Ready? Let's get mixing. Shawarma night starts now. Time to make magic. In a big bowl, combine olive oil, lemon juice, cumin, paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Whisk it up, smell those spices. Add your chicken thighs and coat them well, making sure every piece is covered. Massage the marinade in for maximum flavor. Let the chicken marinate. 30 minutes is good. Longer is even better if you have time. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the marinated chicken in a single layer on a baking sheet. Don't overcrowd. Roast for 20-25 minutes until cooked through and browned on the edges. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes to keep it juicy. Slice into thin strips, just like at the shawarma shop. That's it. You've made perfect oven-baked shawarma. The aroma is incredible, and the flavor is even better. No special equipment, no fuss. Just bold, delicious shawarma, ready for your table. Let's get ready to serve. From start to finish, this shawarma is on the table in about 40 minutes. Faster than delivery. It's the ultimate weeknight dinner. Big flavor, minimal effort. Just mix, marinate, and bake. Anyone can do it. No fancy tools. Just a bowl, a baking sheet, and your oven. Cleanup is a breeze. 1 pan and you're done. Line your baking sheet with foil or parchment for even easier cleanup. Spend less time washing dishes, more time enjoying your meal. This oven-baked method gives you that classic shawarma taste at home. Crispy edges, juicy meat, and all the flavor you crave. It's a brilliant kitchen hack for street food at home. Simple, fast, and absolutely delicious. Now for the best part, assembling your shawarma. Warm pita bread in the oven or a skillet until soft and pillowy. Pile on the sliced chicken, load it up. Add your favorite sauces, creamy tahini, garlic yogurt, or a drizzle of hot sauce. Top with chopped lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and don't forget the pickles for that authentic crunch. Pickled cucumbers or turnips add the perfect tangy bite. Arrange toppings in bowls for a fun, build-your-own shawarma night. Everyone gets to customize their wrap just the way they like it. In under an hour, you've made a restaurant-quality feast at home. Take a big bite, tender chicken, creamy sauce, fresh veggies, and tangy pickles in every mouthful. It's as good as takeout, maybe even better. Next time the craving hits, you know what to do. Shawarma night, made easy. Enjoy!